Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. So today we have some chicken wings, and these are my spicy lemon chicken wings. Guys, I am so excited to share this recipe with you guys. It is so simple and very easy. So if you are as excited as I am, then we are going to get started with this recipe. And if you are new, my name is Abby. Welcome and welcome. So I cut the chicken wings like that in little pieces, and it's already washed, and we're gonna go ahead and marinate it. I'm adding about 12 ounces of water, 1 teaspoon of tropical sazon, 1 teaspoon of garlic salt, and 1 teaspoon of everglades seasoning, and about 3 teaspoons of soy sauce. And then 1 teaspoon of salt, and just mix it up. For this marinade, salt is the last ingredient. So over here we're gonna go ahead and just saran wrap this whole thing, and we are going to set it aside. You want to marinate it for over 30 minutes to an hour or overnight for best results. So we are going to make the seasoned flour. We're going to add a half cup of cornstarch, a half cup of regular flour, 1 teaspoon of smoked paprika, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, 1 teaspoon of tropical sazon, and 1 teaspoon of everglades seasoning. And we're gonna go ahead and mix it up. And our mixture is ready, and we're gonna set it aside and get ready to fry our chicken. To fry these chicken wings, I am using my deep fryer. So I'm just pouring my oil to make sure that it can get heated before we get started. So right over here, I am going to turn my fryer to 375 Fahrenheit, and whenever the oil is ready, the ready button will turn green. Okay guys, so the 30 minutes is over. I'm gonna go ahead and just spill this water out, and I will be right back so we can butter the chicken into the flour. So right over here guys, we are going to go ahead and cut the chicken. Make sure it is dry enough. We'll cut it. And I think it's dry enough. So guys, we are going to get started with this chicken. And I'm just gonna add it over here. Do the same thing for every one of them. So right over here, I am frying my chicken in batches. I wanted to make sure that the chicken was cooked for at least 5 minutes, because we are going to refry them again, and I will show you guys as we continue this video. So guys, the 5 minutes is done. The process again. wing of the chicken. So right over here, this was my last batch of chicken, guys, and I am going to start refrying all my chicken, and I'm gonna batch them up. The refrying process is going to take about 3 to 4 minutes, and guys, you are going to go ahead and just batch it up. It is okay, but make sure you reduce your heat to 300, between 300 and 350 Fahrenheit. That is a good lowering of the temperature as you leave the timer to go off with these crispy chicken. So guys, the timer is up. I'm gonna go ahead and check the chicken. So I'm refrying my last batch over here, so the process continues. So I continued frying my chicken off camera, and this is how it turned out to be. I have, some parsley flakes on top as garnish. And guys, I did split my chicken into half. So this is my first batch. And for the second batch, we are going to go ahead and add the lemon sauce with it. For this sauce, you are going to need 1 teaspoon of butter. And for the heat, you are going to need any peppers of your choice, any hot peppers of your choice. In this video, I am using red hot peppers and also Carolina peppers. These are hot and they're a little spicy, and that's the reason why I decided to split my chicken wings in half. For my additional seasoning, I'm using about 1/4 teaspoon of pepper, 1/4 teaspoon of onion powder, and 1/4 teaspoon of tropical sazon. As a main ingredient, I am using half of a lemon. I'm squeezing it in there in the sauce, and I'm going to continue stirring, and we are going to go ahead and add our chicken wings in there. Guys, if you have watched this channel all the way, I just want to say thank you. Please come back and watch more videos. And for those who are just watching, if you are just passing by, please hit that subscribe button, share and comment, and let me know how you feel about this video. And thank you for everyone who is new on this channel, and I really appreciate you guys. So this is the end of the video of everything else that I used. I'm gonna leave every ingredient in the description below, and hopefully guys give this video a thumbs up. And right over here I am just putting some parsley flakes as a garnish. So guys, we are done adding the sauces to the chicken wings, and I went ahead and made sure that the lemon was coated well, the seasoning was coated well, and guys, it turned out to be so good. This is the end. The rest of the video is just showing me putting the chicken wings on a plate. You're going to see the chicken wings on the plate and a close-up of how it looked like. So thank you again for coming back on this channel. Please subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you next time on She's So Randomly Unique. Bye!